Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Akamai Network Engineering, Lecture 07. Network Management and Administration. Introduction to Network Management and Administration. Network Management Protocols Ascent. Configuration Management and Version Control. Network Documentation and Diagrams. Change Management. Network Audits. Introduction to Network Management and Administration. Welcome to the world of network management and administration. In today's technology-driven world, networks are the backbone of modern businesses. They allow us to communicate with each other, access information, and share resources quickly however, managing and administering these networks can be a complex and challenging task. That's where network management and administration come in. These processes help ensure that networks are running smoothly, efficiently, and securely. From monitoring and managing network devices to documenting and diagramming network configurations, network management and administration play a critical role in keeping our networks up and running. So let's dive in and explore this fascinating topic together. Network Management Protocols Ascent. Simple Network Management Protocol Ascent is a protocol used in network management systems to monitor and manage network devices. Ascent-based tools such as Nagios, Cacti, and Zabbix can be used to monitor network devices and generate alerts when issues are detected. They can also be used to collect performance data and generate reports for analysis. Configuration Management and Version Control. Configuration management and version control are critical components of network administration. They help ensure consistency and reliability in network configurations, which is essential for maintaining network performance and security. Configuration management involves documenting and tracking changes to network configurations over time. This allows administrators to quickly identify and resolve issues that may arise due to configuration changes. Version control, on the other hand, involves managing different versions of network configurations and ensuring that only authorized change. By using version control, administrators can prevent unauthorized changes from being made and maintain a history of all changes that have been made to the network. Network documentation and diagrams. Network documentation and diagrams are critical components of network management. They provide a visual representation of the network infrastructure, making it easier to understand and troubleshoot issues. Documentation ensures that all network devices and configurations are properly recorded, which is essential for maintaining consistency and reliability in the network. In addition, documentation can help with compliance requirements and audits. There are several tools and techniques available for creating and maintaining network documentation and diagrams. Network mapping tools can be used to automatically discover and map the network topology. Diagramming software, such as Microsoft Visio, can be used to create detailed network diagrams. Standardized templates and naming conventions can also be used to ensure consistency across the documentation. Change management. In network administration, change management refers to the processes and procedures used to ensure that changes to the network are made in a controlled and consistent manner. These processes help minimize the risk of errors or disruptions caused by changes to the network configuration. Change management typically involves several steps, including planning, testing, implementation, and documentation. Before making any changes to the network, administrators should carefully plan the changes and assess their potential impact. They should also test the changes in a control environment before implementing them on the production network. Finally, they should document the changes thoroughly so that they can be easily tracked and reversed if necessary. Network audits. Network audits are an essential part of network management as they help identify and address potential issues before they become major problems. By conducting regular audits, administrators can ensure that their networks are running smoothly and efficiently. There are many tools and techniques available for conducting network audits, including network scanning software, packet sniffers, and vulnerability scanners. These tools can help administrators identify potential security vulnerabilities, performance bottlenecks, and other issues that
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.